I created these surreal images, all from simple text prompts. This is Artspace AI, an image generation and editing tool that lets you generate images from text and edit them with a variety of tools. So in this tutorial, I'll cover the key features of Artspace AI and honestly tell you what stands out and what doesn't. You will find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. After logging in, the first thing you'll notice is that Artspace is split into two main areas, Canvas and Tools. You can switch between the two using the little toggle at the top. For now, we're jumping straight into the Canvas, where you can generate, edit, and lay out images without ever running out of room. After choosing your model and setting the dimensions, just type in your prompt like ultra-realistic portrait of a young woman standing near a window, soft natural light, shallow depth of field. Be as specific or detailed as you like. When you're ready, hit the Go button and watch your image appear inside the art box within seconds. The canvas will then automatically move over to a blank spot, ready for your next creation. The results generated are honestly surreal. You can toggle between different models for different results. Moving around your ever-growing canvas is super easy. Just toggle on the Move button up top, then click and drag anywhere to pan around, like you're navigating a map filled with your creations. If you ever feel a little lost among all your images, just click Zoom Fit. This will zoom out to show you everything you've made so far, all on one screen. It's perfect for stepping back and seeing the full picture. When you want to zero back in on your next generation spot, just hit Zoom Art Box, and you'll be instantly focused right where the next image will appear. Here's a neat little tip. You can also zoom in and out with your mouse wheel. Just hover over the area you want to zoom into, scroll up or down, and you're good to go. It's easy, intuitive, and makes navigating your canvas feel completely natural. This is where Artspace really starts to shine. The Art Box isn't just for generating new images, it's also your editing tool. There are two main editing techniques you need to master: Inpainting and Outpainting. Here's how to do it. First, click the Eraser button at the top of your image. You'll see your brush size options. Adjust this to fit the area you want to fill. In our example, we'd erase the spot where the panda will appear. Here's a pro tip. If you erase too much or make a mistake, don't panic. Just tick the Restore Content checkbox. This turns your eraser into what I like to call a putter backer. It literally puts back what you erased and works like magic. When you're done restoring, click the Eraser button again to toggle it off. Once your erased area is ready, deselect the Eraser tool, drag your art box directly over that spot, and type in your new prompt. In our example, you'd write, "A cute little panda sleeping in the snow," and click Go. Artspace will fill that area with your new content seamlessly. Outpainting is for when you want to expand your image beyond its original boundaries. Drag your art box so it partially overlaps your existing image while extending into a blank area of the canvas. Give it a prompt describing what you want in the extended area and hit Go. For example, if you have a landscape view and you drag the art box to the left side, you can prompt "a wooden cabin, zoomed in cinematic angle," and Artspace will intelligently extend the image to match. A bonus tip: if you're not happy with an edit, whether it's an in-paint or out-paint, use the Undo button near the History feature. It'll undo your last action so you can try again. This iterative process is how you turn your ideas into absolute masterpieces. Now, I've got to show you one of my favorite features because it's a total game changer, especially if you're not sure how to write effective prompts. It's called the Prompt Builder, and you can access it by clicking the light bulb icon. Here's the workflow. First, click the Inspire button, and Artspace will populate some random settings to get your creative juices flowing. It's like having a random mood board generator built right into your workspace. Next, enter your subject. Let's say you want to create something with a cat. Just type "cat" into the subject field. Now comes the fun part. Use the drop-down menus to add specific details. You've got options for style. Maybe you want oil painting or cyberpunk digital art. You can add mood, lighting, composition, background, and tons more. The formula builder is basically assembling a professional-level prompt for you, piece by piece. As you select each element, watch the comprehensive prompt build itself at the bottom. This shows you exactly what's going to be sent to the AI. When it looks perfect, click Apply Formula, and boom, that entire prompt drops directly into your prompt box. No copy-paste needed, and you're ready to hit go immediately. Now let's talk about keeping them safe and organized. When you select an image on your canvas, you'll see several action buttons at the top. There's a clear button if you want to delete it, a rotate button for adjusting orientation, and a clone button if you want to duplicate that image so you can make variations. The most important part? Downloading your work. Click the download button and you get 3 solid options. You can download just the selected image, which is perfect for saving a single favorite. You can download all your images as one collage, great for showing off a collection or building a portfolio. Or you can download every image individually in a zip file, which I recommend if you want to keep each creation separate and organized. And when you want to clear images, just select what you want gone and hit clear. You can choose to delete only that image or wipe the entire canvas clean. It's easy, efficient, and keeps your workflow tidy. Alright, we've got the hang of the canvas, so now let's flip that toggle and dive into the Tools section. This is where Artspace really flexes its muscle, with a huge range of one-click editing tools designed to make your life easier. The workflow here is super simple. Take the New Image tool, for example. It's the fastest way to create images without all the canvas setup. Just type in your prompt, say, old school 1970s film photograph of a street cafe, grainy texture, warm tones, then pick a size preset or enter your own custom dimensions. Hit Create, and your image pops up on the right. Hover to preview bigger, download it right away, or share it with the public gallery if you're feeling generous. One important heads up, images created here don't get saved automatically, so if you like what you see, make sure to download it. Artspace packs around 72 different tools in this section. I can't show you all of them, but here are some standout favorites to give you an idea of what's possible. The Change Scene tool lets you drag and drop an image, then pick a preset like Pop Star Stage Performance to completely switch up the background while keeping your subject intact. Or type in your own scene, like Rainy Street at Night, and watch your image get a whole new vibe. The Change Expression tool is perfect for portraits. You can drop in a face and select expressions like intense anger or shocked surprise. The Change Pose tool comes in handy if your subject looks stiff or awkward. Drop their image in, then pick a new pose like thoughtful contemplation or friendly waving. You can even describe custom poses for precise control, and the results are smooth and seamless. There's plenty more too. Face Swap for swapping faces, upscale image to turn grainy pics into crisp, high-res versions, villain and cyberpunk avatars, and superhero tools for gamers. Alright, let's talk about pricing. A 7-day free trial lets you test the tool at no cost. Instead of monthly subscriptions, you pay once and get lifetime access. The starter lifetime plan costs $39 and gives you 300 images per month plus access to the Tools section, but not the canvas. You can upgrade to higher plans for more advanced features. With everything covered, here's my takeaway. If you want simple, effective AI image generation, Artspace is a solid choice. It excels with dedicated tools and a one-time payment, but it's not the fastest with new models and lacks built-in organization for your images. So try out Artspace AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.